We found a place where you can wake up with the sea wave, yet passing slowly sunrise from your balcony. But here's the surprising part, we paid less than many budget hotels. Today we are staying at Resorts World Langkawi. A peaceful resort away from the busy tourist area. But is it actually worth it? How are the rooms, the food, the pool, the most importantly, who should really stay here? We'll show you everything honestly, including a few small problems. So stay till then, because this place might surprise you. After driving around Langkawi for some time, reaching this place already feels relaxing. The road became quieter, more green, less crowded, and suddenly you start seeing the sea beside the hotel. The resort is located around 10 to 15 minutes from Pantai Chanang and Koa area depending on the traffic. So it's actually quite convenient if you rent a car or scooter. One thing we noticed immediately, this place has older resort feeling. Not super modern like new luxury hotels, but calm, open and peaceful. The chicken area is simple but spacious, and the best part, the sea view already starts from the lobby itself. This resort is quite big, so our room was a bit far from the reception. The first time we had to walk quite a lot, but after finding it, we moved our car closer to the block. We booked the sea view room because honestly, coming to Langkawi without a sea view feels something missing. And when we opened the balcony, the view instantly changed the mood. You can see the ocean, small islands far away, boat moving slowly, and during the evening, the whole sky turns orange and sunrise comes direct to the balcony. This is the kind of place where you just sit quietly for some time. The room itself is quite spacious, not ultra luxury but comfortable enough for relaxing after a long day outside. Inside the room you get air conditioning, TV, mini fridge, basic coffee and tea, and balcony seating area. The design feels slightly older compared to the modern hotels in Langkawi. But honestly, the sea view becomes the main highlight here. And the bathroom is basic with basic essentials. We booked a sea view premier room through Agoda. During our stay, it was around 550 ringgit for 2 nights. For this kind of view, that price feels quite reasonable. One thing we really like here is the swimming pool area. The pool faces directly toward to the sea. It's like an infinity pool. So during sunset and sunrise, the whole place became beautiful. Not many people were around during our stay, which made it even better. This is the kind of pool where you don't rush, you just stay there slowly, watch the sky changing colors and relax. If you come with your family or partner, this area is really nice during morning and evening time. The resort also has restaurant and breakfast area with sea view. The selection is decent with local and international food. And also there's a restaurant called Spice Garden on the ground floor. That is an Indian restaurant. They have indoor and outdoor seating options next to the sea. We had dinner there. We ordered some naan, chicken biryani and chicken masala. And for drinks, lemon mint and pineapple juice. The food was good and satisfying. And it cost around 135 ringgit for 2 people. Resort has a water sports center, spa, game room, bar and workout room. So if you have plenty of time, you can use all of this. And you can even find ATM here. In the morning, this place becomes more alive. There are some island hopping tours and boat tours start from here. So there are some stalls, food and clothing popping up here. If you want peaceful stay, romantic vibes, sea view, relaxing, quieter environment, solo travel feeling, then this resort actually become a really quite good option. Especially for couples, families or people who want a calm side of Langkawi. If you enjoy this honest review, check out our other Langkawi videos too. We explored food, hidden spot, beaches and more. And tell us in the comments, would you stay in a peaceful place like this? Or do you prefer busy beaches area? See you in the next adventure. Bye bye guys.